Hello beautiful Italian learners and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Germana and today I'm going to tell you 7 idiomatic expressions related to, guess what? Cats. Yes, you got it right. I love cats, and if you're a cat lover like me, just let me know in the comment section down below. But why did I choose these expressions actually? Because they are very common in Italian and may come in handy, especially in speaking, if you want to add some spice to your discourse. Indeed, recurring to idiomatic expressions can avoid us to beat around the bush in a conversation and get straight to the point of what we want to say. But remember guys, to use these expressions only in the right circumstances. You don't want to use them in writing or in formal situations where some sort of formality and language accuracy is required. As I said before, they are perfect in speaking and in informal situations. But before we continue with the lesson, guys, if you want to see any other Italian fluency videos from me in the future, just make sure to subscribe down below and turn on the post notification so you never miss another upload. Are you ready? Let's get started. Let's start with the first idiomatic expression, una gatta da pelare. Sometimes also referred to as una bella gatta da pelare, a tough nut to crack. Means you have something difficult to solve. No one wants una gatta da pelare, especially when it suddenly appears. Let's see an example. Stavo per andare via dall'ufficio quando Andrea mi ha lasciato una bella gatta da pelare e alla fine sono uscito alle 20. I was about to leave the office when Andrea left me with a tough nut to crack and I ended up leaving at 8 p.m. Yeah, definitely una bella gatta da pelare. Number 2. Quando il gatto non c'è, i topi ballano. Literally, when the cat's away, the mice will play. We use this expression when someone is taking advantage of the absence of someone in authority to do as they like. An example. I miei genitori saranno fuori per il fine settimana, perciò ho organizzato un barbecue. Quando il gatto non c'è, i topi ballano. My parents will be out for the weekend, so I've arranged a BBQ. When the cat's away, the mice will play. Number 3. La gatta frettolosa ha fatto i gattini ciechi. Frettoloso, or frettolosa, is an adjective that means hasty. This expression means that everything that is done in haste doesn't return good results. My mother used to tell me this a lot when I was a little child because I wanted to be fast at doing homework or finishing activities my teachers assigned me to complete at home. But this of course wasn't a good way to proceed, as it eventually led me to make a double effort in case I made mistakes. This expression is very wise, I guess. Next one. Qui gatta ci cova. It means that there's something fishy going on. Like we can expect that something is likely to occur from a situation, and usually what you have in mind is the right clue. But this doesn't always have to do with something negative. We can also use this expression to mean that there's a positive reason behind what we see. Let's see an example. Damiano, dove vai così profumato? Esco con degli amici. Qui gatta ci cova. Damiano, where are you going with so much perfume on? I'm going out with some friends. There's something fishy going on. The mom was definitely referring to a girl. Number 5. Tanto va la gatta al lardo che ci lascia lo zampino. The pitcher goes so often to the well that it's broken at last. Lardo means lard. It is the fattest part of the pork. When you overuse something, it breaks down eventually. This expression invites us to be moderate and do not exaggerate. The image is of this female cat that really enjoys lard, that eventually she gets her paw cut off, or at least she leaves a print of her paw in the attempt to steal some lard. To exaggerate is always risky. This is the moral. But we always use this expression as a form of reproach to someone for behaving irresponsibly. Next one, essere come cane e gatto. If you say so talking about two people, you're basically saying that they do not get along with each other. An example, I miei figli sono come cane e gatto, litigano tutto il giorno. My children fight like cat and dog, they argue all day long. Yet you can also use this expression to mean the opposite, so that so much arguing really means that they care about each other. Couple dilemmas. And last one, non dire gatto se non ce l'hai nel sacco. Don't be so sure about that. Don't count your chicken before they hatch. Don't say you have succeeded in doing something until you're sure 100%. And I'd say 200% is better. That's the meaning. You never know what might happen along the way. Let's see an example. L'esame è stato semplicissimo. Prenderò sicuramente un voto alto. The exam was very easy. I will get a high mark for sure. Don't be so sure about that. Of course, this expression doesn't aim at bringing bad luck. Let's see it more as a call to pragmatism. So good, that's all for today's lesson. I really hope that this video was helpful for you to learn some useful Italian idiomatic expressions that will boost your speaking. Of course, if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section down below. And don't forget that I've been teaching online on 𝙿𝚁𝚴𝚆. 𝙿𝚁𝚆 is an online language platform where you can have one-on-one online lessons whenever and wherever you want, and all you need is just a long and stable internet connection. In my opinion, this is definitely the most efficient way to reach language fluency. So click on the link in the description box to earn 10 USD 𝙿𝚁𝚆 credits on a purchase of $20. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you want to connect with me, you can find me on my Facebook, Instagram and Twitter account. See you next time. Ciao!